Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So another Neptune. Your weight on planets. 1986 weight. Mercury 23.62 weight. Venus 25.96. Earth 1.50 weight. Moon my weight 9.86. Mars my weight 61.27. Jupiter my weight 23.88. Saturn my weight 23.10. Uranus my weight 29.8. Neptune. My weight, your weight on planets. My weight on Mercury 9.55. My weight on Venus 22.88. My weight on Earth 25.14. My weight on Moon 4.2. My weight on Mars 9.55. My weight on Jupiter 59.33. My weight on Saturn 23.13. My weight on Uranus 22.37. My weight on Neptune 28.16. Empowering Indian youth for noble. This is virtual pond. This is virtual What? ये हल रहा क्यों है? Yes. Now this is heartbeat drum. Heartbeat drum. As you sit on the chair and hold the both handles. Wait, अभी शुरू होगा। ओ शुरू करने गए। limit. Okay. अच्छा मैग्नेट है ये. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there is more. Oh, there is much more. Let's start this one. Writing tools. Oh, this time machine. Time machine. This is steam engine. Steam engine.
ये क्या है इसको घुमाना?
Let's go. Photography. This is the Vishal lens camera. Camera artifacts. Steam engine. This one works. Horror light. This is the let's escape and serious Sanu. It's very serious. Balance wheel kept before you is the table clock. Observe the working of the clock and to the motion of the balance wheel through the lens. Balance wheel is very important part of a watch or table clock. It does the same work that a pendulum does for wall clock. It regulates the potential energy of the coiled spring to release. Pendulum. It is called pendulum. Flying machine. Now let's see flying machine. Power flight. Let's. This is CCC. Oh, very sounds interesting. Oh, you can see in one cylinder there are only two. Oh, there's only three. Wait, it will grow. Now let's go here. Motive power. This is the old one. Motive power. Rotate wheel. Now let's see Let's. Hello. Now let's go. Now let's see spinning jenny. Okay. Spinning is the age-old process of machine. Spinning is the age-old process of making yarn by drawing and twisting the prismas like cotton, etc. Kept before you is a scaled model of the original spinning jenny invented by Englishman James Hargreaves in the year 1768. Introducing several spindles and wheels in a right position, he made spinning faster. When this machine got support from steam power, it revolutionized the textile industry. Sewing machine. This is the sewing machine is a textile machine used to stitch. Let's continue. Oh, see, you can see there is a liquid disc. So, if you will do it, it's not working. It's spinning jenny, as you already know. We have shown you. No entry? No entry. Now let's see. Danielson. Ohm's law. This not works. Yes, let's see. Faraday's reading. Then Oyster. This is also not working. This is Orsted experiment. Yes. Switch B, switch A. This is also not working. Electromagnetic induction. Wait. Hello, see this. This is a bicycle generator. Let's see it. Let me do slow. Let me do. Now I will do this. It will not work with me. Electric lamp. See this? Oh. Wait, it's generating something. Let's continue now. What does 5 voltage resist? It is of Benjamin Franklin. Let's do this talking machine. Let's see talking machine. I do forget.
Something
Okay. Hello. Hello. What happened? Yes, I can hear your voice. Go there, Raghav. Shlok? What? I want to talk you something. What? Should I call you? No, I'm getting your message. I can listen you. You are receiving. You are calling. No, I can receive you. I'm hearing you. Okay, I'm calling now. Hello? Yes? Yes? What happened? Let's should you call me? I called you. Let it be. Now let's leave. Yes, we should, Rona. Now let's see this. Discoveries and inventions in physics. See this. They see many people who invented physics and discovered. Now let's see this one. Atom. Atom is the smallest particle of the matter. It is made of solid nucleus, which contains particles like protons and neutrons. Electrons, which are also inside atom, move around the nucleus in elliptical orbits. Roll the ball on the wooden channel. Observe the rebounds of the ball for different hidden sections of the central block. Guess the shape and check by lifting the lid in the atomic structure. Atomic structure. It looks like this. No, it's not. The atomic structure looks like this. Telescope. Oh, the one. It looks like this. Now, early message carrying device. Telephones of the earliest. The telephones of the earliest. How are there? This you can see now. Early sound machines. Yes. Now see this. Early telephone exchange. It looks like this. Yes, it's old. In the earliest, they look like this. Movie, The Magic. Yes. Nothing works. Wait. This stop. Hello, let's see this now. The data storage devices. There are many uses like magnetic drum, floppy disk, hard disk drive, and DVD and USB, and more, and etc. Film projector. They looked like this in earlier. See this. I think it will not film. You can see it. Nothing is there. Now, see this. Medical inventions. Yes. This were used in. See this. Skeleton. They invented the medicals. See this skeleton. This is a femur. This is hip joints. Symmetry. Look. Electronic age. electronic gauge. Yes. Rectifier. Let's see. Nothing works. Radio. This one has radio. In the list, radio looks like this. Yes. Now history television. This one look like this. Cathode. Radio. Serious. In the list, the TV look like this. You can see, sir, to see Venkatraman life and work. Look, let's see this now. Invention quiz. Nothing. What means? We don't know. Nothing will work. Now let's see this. Future technologies. In this, there will be this like.
उसी प्रकाश में डायनासोर की चोट को छुआ तभी सागर की गहराई में निकलकर जमीन पर खाली होने वाले हम निगाह दिलाकर प्रतिभा आंसुओं की गतिविधियों का काम करती है। मुझे अंतिम की पूरी चमक खिलती और भूमि पर पौधे सूर्य प्रकाश से ऊर्जा प्राप्त करते हैं। प्रकाश संश्लेषण प्रक्रिया को उसे पूर्ण में परिवर्तित करते हैं। संभावना बहुत कम है पर असंभव नहीं। संभावित विनाशकारी सूर्य हमारी भलाई के लिए एक जरूरी ताकत है।
ओजोन लेयर
क्लाइमेट और भी उठाते हैं। अंतरिक्ष में जहाँ तक मौसम केवल उत्तर और विशाल जो में पाए जाने वाले सबसे बड़ा प्लानिट है। लगता है उसे कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है। वो राक्षस से ताकतवर है। जो आगे समझ और आशा करते हैं एक खतरा आगे नंबर सब आगे अपने सांस ले सके जिसके लिए शिकार के अनजान खतरे को काम कर सकते हैं। जंगल इस पृथ्वी पर विश्व से बना हुआ है। आज ये शानदार
ये रियल क्या? the video, then share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Thank you.